From the quiet fields to the hands of nature, life begins its delicate work, a journey woven in silence.
Through patience and color, the thread becomes art. From leaf to luxury, the story of silk lives forever.
Every sunrise holds a promise a promise that nature, in its silence, will create something extraordinary.
The leaves of the trees, delicate and green, feed the unseen artists of the world, the silkworms.
These trees have stood for generations, their leaves feeding not just silkworms, but the soul of a craft older than time itself.
Before the silkworms can begin their art, nature must first offer her canvas.
With care and rhythm, they carry the harvest, like offerings to a sacred tradition, untouched by time.
Here, life meets labor. The silkworms awaken, and nature's quiet orchestra begins its most delicate symphony.
In their hunger, they shape art. Each bite, flight, a note in the silent music of creation.
They eat, they grow, they weave. They don't rush real, because beauty has its own pace.
One by one, they vanish into their own art, building worlds from within, a home made of hope.
She moves like time itself, unhurried, graceful, knowing that each cocoon holds both life and legacy. In the warmth of tradition, threads awaken. What was sealed in silence now becomes a song.
Each cocoon carries nearly a mile of silk. One fragile life transformed into endless beauty.
From cocoon to thread, the journey continues, fragile, yet strong enough to hold centuries of tradition.
Now, the thread meets color, nature's own palette reborn through human touch.
In every sound of the loom, there's memory. Hands repeating what ancestors once did, not as labor, but as prayer.
Saffron whispers of joy. Indigo calms the restless. Crimson remembers love.
As they dry under heaven's light, the threads breathe, free once more, shimmering with life.
He works like a poet, each line, each stitch, a verse of patience.
For centuries, silk was a treasure, traded, cherished, desired, a language spoken by emperors and artisans alike.
These threads traveled beyond borders, carrying with them the story of patience and perfection.
Time moved forward. Machines replaced hands. Speed replaced silence. But the soul of silk endured. Even now, in glass and steel, silk stands as a bridge, connecting modern dreams with ancient grace.
When I touch silk, I feel time, soft, breathing, alive. Every thread carries a heartbeat from history. Now, creation meets code. Artificial intelligence reimagines what patience once perfected is.
Between human touch and machine precision lies something timeless, art that belongs to both.
Listen closely. Can you hear the story? The whisper of nature, the breath of the maker, the sigh of time.
The true journey of silk is not from worm to fabric, but from hand to heart.
AI doesn't erase tradition. It helps us see it anew, through a lens of light and logic.
From earth to eternity, from hands to holograms pen, silk carries humanity's softest strength.
Even after centuries, silk remains the same, a reminder that patience, not power, creates beauty.
Through AI, I do not imitate, I honor. I bring back the lost art, the slow craft, the forgotten calm.
This story is not about silk alone, why? It's about us, our need to create, to care, to continue.
In every thread, a world. In every sound, a soul.
This is the Bridge to Phi, where memory meets imagination, and tradition becomes timeless once more. Through this journey, we've rediscovered something eternal, that craftsmanship, patience, and soul never truly fade.
This is not just a film. It's a feeling. a reminder that beauty, even when reborn digitally, still carries a heartbeat.